Guys, this is Fizz Dog here. Sorry for the background noise. My little brother's watching a show right now, and I'm gonna be showing you guys real quickly how to make a white noise, um wind type noise or riser and stuff like that. So basically what you'll need is subsync, and I'm gonna show you how to do this from basic. So you have this noise. So it's really simple how you do this. So you go to filter and you press filter and it goes to low pass, you keep it on there, and then the oscillator 1, you click that until it goes to this right here, this one right here, and that makes that noise. Now after this you can do really any mixing with your white noise, which that's what it's called. So now what you want to do is you want to make it however many measures you want it. So let's do like 4. So then we press 4, and then we make this long. And then the next thing we want to do is we want to press this red button at the bottom corner here. And then what we want to do is we want to press the cutoff. Then we turn this off. We go down and we press mode. And this is what we were brought up with. So here's the 3 things that you can do. So the first thing is you can make a riser by making an elevator like this. So as you can hear, it just goes up. You can make a downlifter by doing this the opposite way. And if you're doing something like wind, what you can do is basically it'll be in a line, right? And then you can just do whatever you want. Like make it as random as you can, but don't make it like too random. Like make it relative. And then you get basically like this like waving wind effect, like it's very windy outside. It should just loop back around and sound pretty good. So yeah guys, that's how you do white noise effects and Caustic 3, and yeah, that's basically it. Bye.